going on to the final kind of main part of the project, which I'm really excited about, and that is to do the cuckoo's body. So we're going to be doing it using the long and short stitch again as a shading stitch, but it's slightly different because the first colour we're going to be using a double thread to do the head bit, then we're going to go on to a single thread. So I thought I would show you how I'm going to be doing it. So you're going to come up from the centre to the head, and then we're just going to work the long and short shading up from here. So it's just this head one which we use the double thread for, and then we'll go back down to the single thread. So we've done the double thread for the head. Now in the same colour, we're going to be going just from the breast up to the head where we were before, but we're going to do it in a single thread instead. And it's that same long and short thread idea. Like that, and I'm going to come up. Did that first one the wrong way, but we'll go the right way this time. It's just filling in the blanks. So here we have the finished cuckoo body, which I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I feel like I should have maybe brought this colour further down, which I might try and do that actually when I'm kind of doing all my last little bits. But I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So for tomorrow's video, there'll be Philippa doing her Q&A. But on Thursday, I'm hoping that I will have finished doing all of this side, which is the same as what we did last week. I'm also going to be doing all of the like little details on the cuckoo. So we've got to put the eye in, which is the first time I've ever done beadwork. I'm going to do these little balls here, and I'm finally going to do the little stem branch which the cuckoo is on. So I'll see you on Thursday to see how I've got on.